Hey folks, how are you today? Welcome to another edition of My Favorite Apps. Today I'm going to talk about Videoshow. It's a video editor and it has a lot of great features in it. It has special effects. You can add Gifs and music and text and all those kind of things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create this video and then afterwards I'm going to make some edits to it and add the features in it. So I'm going to make a bunch of segments, stick them together, add some music, special effects, GIFs, and etc. and show you what this thing is capable of. Now, one of the things is that, PCs have good video editors, but honestly, this one is faster and better than my PC for many things. It doesn't have all the features that the PC does, but it has a lot of really cool stuff. So, let's get to it. Okay, so first I want to show you what you can do with GIFs. They're pretty cool. So, what happens if you have zombies? Well, you do this. So, as you can see, zombies aren't a problem with this program. So maybe you like money. What do you think? What do you think, huh? You can add money to your video here. Maybe you want some special effects, like so adding text is also very easy. You can add something like this. Or like this. Or like this. Another thing you can add is stickers. And all the sticker is a picture without a background. You can make your own sticker kind of pictures by using the eraser app that I've also recommended before. So you can add stickers. And there's a big library of stickers inside this program. Hi there, I'm going to run through this very quickly and show you how this app works. So one of the things we can do is video edit up in the corner there, and let's create a new one. So this is where you add the clips. So I'm going to go in here and I'm just going to add a few clips and I'm going to do a start, and these clips will run for the duration of whatever it's set for default. Now we can go into edit and we can go into clip edit on the left, and then we can change the duration. So I click on this one here, I click duration, and I can put it up to 10 seconds. You can go further. If you go all the way to the right, you can add more. So let's go 13 seconds. Okay, and you hit OK. And then the next one here, let's just go to duration and make it 10. All right. Okay, so you check that up at the top. So now I have two of these pictures in here. So let's add a subtitle. Let's see, just what we could do here. Now this is totally movable. You can turn it all around. You can do whatever you want. Now we can go into the font setting and we can change the color, for example. Let's make it red. We can do a lot of things. We can do the text style. We can make it in a cloud, and then we can resize it. We can do all that stuff. Now, as the video plays, you can see this bar here. They all work the same way. You move the bar, and so if I stop on this, the two white arrows appear. Now, what I can do is change the duration of this and make it longer. So, as I move this back, and let's do a play, you'll see that the text will pop in, and it will remain playing until it gets to the end of the red area. Okay, let's help it along there. Okay, so let's do an OK. So now what I want to do, and every time you come back to the window, it starts playing. I don't know why. So special effects, let's see. We can do an ad here. Let's add a Cupid arrow. Okay, so a little Cupid arrow in there. Now, actually, let's not do Cupid. Let's do this one. Let's add a flying soccer ball. Okay, we'll do a check. All right, it goes along. Why? There's your text. All right, so we want to add a GIF now. Now, there's a bunch of GIFs that are in here already, or you can actually use one that you've downloaded. So I did a lot of downloads. So let's add a buy here. Okay, So there's the by. Now what I want to do is I want to move this over a little bit to get it out of this text. So I'm going to take this and stretch it over. Okay, and I'm going to put it over here. Okay, so now it's right at the end of the video, and it says by. Okay, you hit the check mark up in the top, and now that's up there. So if we go down to here, do a play, you'll see the by. Okay, we can add music. So there's a bunch of music in the library already. So we can add it. It plays. Now, I only put it at the end. So let's say I want to move this all the way to the beginning. So what I do is I hover over that and grab the white arrow and move it all the way over. And now I can grab this bar and move the whole thing. And I can adjust this and edit it. And then top right, check mark. Okay, I can add stickers. Stickers are fun. All right. That's right at the beginning. So what happens is you can overlay all this stuff. And you can overlay multiple layers, multiple GIFs, multiple layers. So I can put 4 GIFs in the same scene here, and they'll all show up at the same time. So it's very, very nice to do that. Other things like sound, I can do a voiceover if I press the microphone and start talking. I can also draw on the picture, which is really nice a lot of times because you can explain stuff. So let's red there, hi. You could do that. All right, what else is in here? Let's see. There's transitions, so you can transition from one to the other. If we do a fade here, that's going to fade it. So after 20 seconds, there, it just faded in. Okay, and let's see. That is about it. The thing I like about this is you can do multi-levels. And for example, right here, if I go back to the GIFs, so I can see that there's a GIF right here, and the GIF is by. So if I wanted to add another one right on top of that, okay, let's grab one that I've already downloaded. Okay. So I've put 2 on top of each other. So now I have this one selected. So this bar here, I can change the duration, and it's very easy to do. So I can start it before my other one. Okay. And then I can move this screen here, and let's do a play. And you'll see that the first one shows up, and the second one shows up, and they both appear at the same time. Okay, that's about it. There's tons of things you can do with this. You play with it, and it's just amazing. And it's really a great video editor. Hope you enjoy it.